Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the symptoms of a bad ABS module, so you can spot the signs early and stay safe on the road. Let's get started. What is the ABS module? The ABS module is the brain behind your car's anti-lock braking system. It prevents your wheels from locking up during hard braking, keeping your car stable and controllable. The first symptoms is warning lights. One of the first signs of a faulty ABS module is the appearance of warning lights on your dashboard. You may see the ABS light, brake light, or even the engine light turn on. Sometimes, the traction control light may also illuminate. If you want to confirm ABS-related trouble codes, you'll need an OBD2 scanner. I've linked the one I use in the description below for your convenience. The second symptoms is disabled ABS system. A malfunctioning ABS module is often smart enough to disable itself when it detects an issue. Unfortunately, this means your ABS system will no longer function. The third symptoms is brakes locking up. Without the ABS system to pulsate the brakes, hard braking can cause your wheels to lock up. This increases the risk of skidding and losing control, especially on slippery surfaces. The fourth symptoms is engine compartment fires. In September 2023, the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration issued a recall for over 3.4 million Hyundai and Kia vehicles due to the risk of fire. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.